All right, so you're seeing this video because something came up on your credit report and now you got to get rid of it or deal with it. This could be a medical bill you didn't know was unpaid. Could be an outstanding bill from an apartment complex you lived in. It could be a past due notice from some utility bill you didn't know about. Most of these cases you don't even know about them, whether it's a collection and charge off a judgment. Not all of these necessarily have to be repaid for every loan type. Let's say if it's a minor bill, maybe you're doing like a government or an FHA deal, might not have to be paid. I mean, it's all on a case-by-case basis. Whatever your scenario is, whatever I run for you, I'll tell you what has to be paid or what doesn't have to be paid off. Conventional, jumbo, expect that they're going to have to be paid, especially a non-traditional loan. But basically, the lender wants you to repay these because they're thinking, if you can't repay these, and how are you going to repay a mortgage for 30 years with a several $1,000s payment every month? Plus, the federally backed agencies want you to be compliant with the creditors that are also helping out with this. Now, what's actually on your credit report? Well, I can't send you a full copy of your credit report. Okay, the credit bureaus, they don't want us doing that. They don't allow us to send you your full copy. So I recommend you go on annualcreditreport.com. They're going to send you a free copy of your credit report. You get a free one a year. I get one of these for myself. I go and check, once every year or two, just to make sure that there's nothing on my credit report that I don't know about, or that, nobody added or opened up some new line of account for me, just to check every once in a while. So you can do that, or you can go to the credit bureaus yourself, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. You could open up a profile on one of their accounts. You might even have that already. Those are three big ones. And by the way, before I go any further, if you're a first-time buyer, I highly recommend you head to my playlist section and you watch my first-time buyer guide. It's about a half hour. It's going to teach you all kinds of topics that are going to affect you for decades to come, especially financially. It's going to teach you all this stuff that I would want to know if I was in your shoes and I was doing this for the first time myself. Now, back to the credit report. Even though I can't send you a full one, I can send you snippets, contact info of these creditors that are holding these accounts open for you. And this stuff ain't going to be fun. I mean, you're going to have to be calling 800 numbers. You might have to call several times before you get somebody live on the phone that's going to be able to help you. You might have to call during like 8 to 5 Eastern time or 9 to 5 Eastern time. These creditors, these collection agencies, they don't work around the clock, and they're probably not going to work weekends. So you might have to hop outside of your work during lunch hours and give them a call during the day. You might even have to go to court. So to pay off one of these, local judgments. So whatever your case is, I mean, it's going to take some work and some effort to sort through these things. Now, some good news. Seen people settle these account balances for less than the full amount. Seen a lot of people do that, actually. Just a lot will settle for like half of the balance. Now, I'm not sure if settling for less than the full balance is going to impact your credit score differently than if you pay off the balances in full. But regardless, once you take care of these, it should improve your credit score. And yeah, honestly too, like the longer they're on, the worse they could affect your score. But anyways, you end up getting these satisfied. Let some time pass, refresh. By the end of the first week of any month is usually then when we would repull a credit report for you. Or if we don't even need to do that for you, you're definitely going to need to send documentation proof showing that these are paid. Really, in any case, you might still need to do that for us. Show me the proof that these accounts are paid off. But guys, that's about it. Highly recommend, since you're dealing with this, you go to my credit playlist section as well. There's going to be a ton of other concept videos there that are going to help you understand your credit profile a lot better. And that's it, guys. Hope to see you on the next one. And if you're ready to apply, just shoot me a text or call at any time. Love to work with you. Thank you.